Nginibulise bantwana bethonga, nginibulise bantwana bakaJehova. Ngithemba ukuthi nikahle, uNkulunkulu unigcinile. iNkosazana Yamanzi eZanemvula, kaPhunga noMageba, uNdabezitha. Ngithemba ukuthi nikahle, bengithembisile ukuthi sizochubeka siloku senza the signs of spiritual awakening. Okay, just to recap what I've said previously. I've touched a point that you feel completely lost and alone. And I've also touched previously that you realize that a lot of things that you have been taught seem like a lie. And then I'll continue today, Bantwana Betonga. Symptoms, common symptoms of awakening. You begin to ask deeper questions. Remember, previously I said you'll realize that a lot of things doesn't make sense. And I've also said maybe you'll ask in terms of the religions, the Bible, the culture, everything doesn't make sense to you anymore. There's a lot of information ezikucakayo nawe ungazi ukuthi ini yini mawuthi uyahlanganisa. uJesu khona kamampela, uNkulunkulu khona kamampela, amathonga khona kamampela. We'll ask those deeper questions about the religion, everything, culture. So you begin to ask deeper questions. And you'll start craving for meanings and purposes of things around you. Yonke into nje oyaziyo uzofuna ukwazi the purpose of it, why you doing it, why you have to do it. And you feel as that life is a false on its own. And you'll see through the illusions of society. And you'll realize, or you'll see how unhappy most people are. And then after realizing that, you'll want to patch your life. You'll begin experiencing deep empathy and compassion to all people. Uzoba nozwelo kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo. Be it undlula umuntu oswele, you'll ask question ube nozwelo. Like uzofuna ukunceda wonke umuntu kuya ngawe. You'll even wish if you were God or you were a billionaire to assist all the poor people. Uba nozwelo kwa abantwana bakho abakhulu bazwele ukuthi bayophila kulo mhlaba so. Uzwelelayo yonke into, wonke umuntu ongibona ahlukumezeka uyamzwela. And most of the time you'll desire to be alone. And all your conversations seems shallow. And most of the time you'll want to quit your job, your current job, or vice versa. If you don't want to quit your job, it's like they'll fire you. You lose almost everything, especially if maybe you decline your spiritual calling. Uzoluza yonke into kwabanye abantu. I'm not saying to everyone. Uluza abangani, uluza ifamily, uluza umshado, uluza imali, uba kuma-debts with no, angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani, ungazi nokuthi ungene kanjani kuma-debts. Imali uyayiphatha iyanyamalala esandleni. Abantu bathandayo bayakujikela. Abanye kwa ingane zakho ziyachela kuwe. You lose almost everything, especially lezi zobe kuyigugu kuwena. And you become aware of your old negative habits, izinto obuzenza ebekade zingaqondile, zingalungile. Uyaqala uyazikhipha kuzo. Uma uthanda imijayivo, umuntu ohlala stela awusahambi kuyojayiva. Uma uthanda amaphathi awusayi emaphathini. Uma uthanda ukushopha awusashophi. Like you cut everything bo-addictive kuyo. Ama-habits amabi, you cut them when you start awakening. You'll experience anxiety and depression. Even if you take a medication, it won't heal you. Even if you go to the depressal facilities, they won't be able to assist you. Kuba ngathi ulahlekelwa ingqondo, ngathi awuthathi kahle. Sometimes you even lose speech, you forget now and then. And you become very sensitive, you become more sensitive. Okuncane nje kuyakucasula, uyakhala, you're very emotional. You become emotional. Mostly one become emotional. Abanye they even want to commit suicide.